The next step is you are going to connect the cable. This. Oh, this is difficult. So after you connect the cable, then you're going to connect the cruise control lever. So I'll take a picture. So after installing the lever, so positive is going up, negative is going down, and then I already connected the terminal cable, and then I make sure that this one is inserted in there. Then I put the screws. Alright, next one is going to insert this cable. So as you can see, everything is prepared. Alright, after you install the lever for cruise control, you have to remove your cover on the side of your steering wheel so that you can take out this cable, this terminal, and then you have this extra wire that's provided. This one is one end will go to the ECU, another end will go here. So make sure that it will go here just beside the white cable. So this slot where the red cable is going to is actually connected to the to this terminal right side. So here you can see 4 terminals, right? Okay, on the bottom right, that is the cable that's going to the ECU. Okay, so in here I tested that this terminal, the bottom right, and this terminal, the bottom left in here, is actually connected. So that is where we're going to connect the red wire, which is going to the ECU. Okay, so now you can see the cable is already inserted in there. Next one is make sure that it's actually working. So you have to get your multi-tester, connect one end. So sorry, I don't have any stand, so I'll just hold it like this, and then the other end you can just next one, after inserting the red cable in there, on the lower left side of that terminal, you have to test the cable if it's working. So first thing is you have to adjust the settings of your multi-tester so that when you touch the ends, it's going to beep like this. So it's a continuity test. So if there's a continuity, or meaning if there are 2 wires and you wanted to test if they are connected or not, you can touch both ends, and if the wire is not broken, meaning it will beep like this. If it's broken, then it will not beep. Okay, so that's how you're going to test it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch one end of the cable that I've inserted to the other end. So one end is here, and then to the other end. So as you can see, it's beeping, so meaning there is a continuity. Another one is the ground. So ground is anything in your car, anywhere, any metal. of your car. So see, it's working. So now, after connecting this cable from the steering wheel, you have to connect to the ECU. So in there, the topmost connector, which is this one, and then as you can see in there, from the top moving to the left, let's say in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th. The 5th one from the top is the location where you're going to connect the wire. So that's it. Now after connecting the wire from here, from this cable from the steering wheel to the ECU, we can test if it's working. So if I press this, you will see this green light with a speedometer icon is coming out. So if I turn it off, turn it on, so as you can see, it's alright. The car is actually already programmed with that, with this cruise control. All we have to do is to add the hardware, that is this lever stick for cruise control, and wire it. So for the moment of truth, we're going to do the test drive. After that, you have to return the airbag and see, as you can see, return the orange and the black wire, which is the ground. The ground will be going in here in this terminal, and then the orange will be going in here. So I'll try my best to show you how to. So as you can see, I removed the ground to my car. So if there's no light in your dashboard, meaning the battery is cut off. So as you can see, I already connected my wires, the orange and the black, and then yeah, just put it like this. Okay, that's all. Alright.
Okay, game.
Okay, now, so after installing the cruise control, this is the moment of truth. We're going to test it. So first is you turn it on. As you can see, after I press the button at the cruise control, you will see that icon, the green icon. It's like a speedometer icon. So that means your cruise control is working. And then if I turn it to set, so let's say set now, meaning I has to maintain this speed that I am running right now, which is 48. So right now I'm not pressing on my accelerator. So what is happening right now is that the car is controlling the speed by itself. So if I'm going to increase the set speed, I have to push the lever up like this. So now it's 48. One more time. 49. One more time. So now it's 50. So if I press my brake like now, it will automatically cancel the cruise control. As you can see, the light the light set there is now off. So meaning my cruise control is already off. Alright.